Hello everyone, I'm Rupesh Singhal. I'm printing the pyramids in Java. This is my next shape. Okay, so this is 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1. See, this is a triangle. Okay, so whenever the triangle shape is there, for the rows you have to look at the diagonal. See, the rows start with the 5 5 4 3 2 1. See, look at diagonally 5 4 3 2 1. So these are the row numbers. See, 5 4 3 2 1. These are the row numbers. See diagonally. See, these are the row numbers 5 4 3 2 1. So I will write the coding for the this row. So for I represent the row, I equal to 5 semicolon. Okay, I is greater than equal to 1. Okay, see, since the last row number is 1, so I'm writing the last row number in the middle. You always write the last row number. This is known as the final destination or the last row number. Okay, whatever the last you will write in the middle. So I is greater than equal to 1. And since the row number are in descending orders, row numbers are in descending orders, so I will write it I minus minus. Okay, I minus minus. Now I will write the coding for the columns, that is J. Okay, see, every column start with the 5. See, 5 5 5 5 5. See, in the first column every column start with the 5 5 5 5 5. See, first column, so J equal to 5. Okay, J is greater than equal to, see, every column is greater than the row number. See, 5 is greater than 4. In the third column, 5 is greater than 3, fourth is greater than 3, 3 is greater than, not greater than, but equal to. That's why I put a equal to sign. Okay, likewise second row, 5 is greater than 2, 4 is greater, 3 is greater than, and 2 is also greater than but equal to. So J is greater than equal to I, and J minus minus. Okay, J minus minus. So this is the coding for the column. Now I will write the system dot out print. Print double inverted comma plus J. Okay, so I'm printing the column. This system dot out print in a horizontal manner. This is horizontal manner. Okay, now this is system dot out print ln, which works like an enter button. This works like an enter button. It will take the every time the cursor in a new row. See, it takes the cursor in every time in a new row. Okay, so now I will close the main function and the class also. Okay, thank you.